Hello, this is Joe with Exquisite Timepieces in Naples, Florida, and today we're presenting the Singer Track 1 Honk Kong Edition. The Singer Reimagined brand was created in 2017 to explore the world of high-end watchmaking. Since then, Singer Reimagined has become a Geneva-based, award-winning high-end watchmaking company. It is part of Singer Group, the Californian-based luxury brand that has become globally renowned for its bespoke restorations of the Porsche 911. The brand has become synonymous with the concept of reimagining, bringing together iconic design with 21st century engineering and material science. The Singer Track 1 collection is composed of unconventional chronographs, powered by engines standing apart from all previous chronograph movements. The collection consists of only limited edition models, and this model, the Track 1 Honk Kong Edition Black Ceramic Aluminum, is one of the best from the lineup of 9 available Track 1 models. Limited to 50 pieces, this matte black ceramic aluminum cased chronograph is topped with an anti-reflective sapphire crystal, features 100 meters of water resistance, rides on a black cloth strap with titanium rivets and folding buckle, and runs a 55-hour power reserve Agengraph caliber 6361 column wheel chronograph movement. The watch face at first can be a little bit of an intimidating presentation. In a design that is both interesting and unique, the center of the dial is preserved for all of the chronograph timing functions, which includes tracking elapsed seconds, minutes, and hours. The daily timekeeping functions are positioned on the peripheral of the dial, with a series of rotating discs for the minutes and hours, and an orange accented arrow pointer at the southern cardinal position of the watch face to indicate the current time. Once you take a moment to wrap your head around the layout, it becomes a very intuitive way to both read the time and run the chronograph functions. At the rear of the watch case, we are presented with a view of that 6361 chronograph movement. It's an intricate and beautiful work of art and engineering, consisting of 477 components with a detailed and refined finish across every one of those components, making for an impressive view of the engine running this timepiece. Thanks for watching, and if you're in the Naples, Florida area, stop by Exquisite Timepieces and see this watch in person, or if you want to have it delivered, we invite you to call our store at 239-610-4987 or email me personally at joe@exquisitetimepieces.com. We look forward to hearing from you.